class I discuss about next topical agent, that is borax. Their chemical formula is Na2B4O7 10H2O and their synonyms are sodium borate. Their properties are they are the colorless, transparent crystals, odorless, saline and alkaline taste. It is soluble in water and glycerin but insoluble in alcohol. Chemical properties: on heating loses all its water of hydration and swells to white porous powder. When heated to red hot and on cooling forms a transparent mass is known as the borax bead. An aqueous solution of sodium borate is alkaline to litmus. Alkali borate are the water soluble borates of the other metals undergo hydrolysis and forms the insoluble hydroxide or oxides. Next is the action and uses. It has been used externally in solutions containing 1 to 2% of borax as an eye wash, goggles, in the mouth washes and as a wet dressing used in food preservatives. In case of cosmetics, it is used as the emulsifier and also in lotion, germicide and bacteriostatic. Next compound is the iodine. Their chemical formula is I2 and molecular weight is 253.8. Properties are colorless, grayish, color are the grayish violet or the bluish black, brittle plates or small crystals with a metallic luster. It possesses a distinctive penetrating irritant, bitterly pungent taste. It is very slightly soluble in water, soluble in alcohol and dissolved freely in ether, chloroform and carbon disulfide. It dissolved rarely in the solution of Ki and other iodide forming compound as the Ki3. Next is the chemical property of iodine. It melts at the 140 degrees Celsius but sublime freely at temperature below its melting point. It is a volatile at the and its vapor attack both cork and rubber. The important chemical properties of iodine in aqueous solution is that a mild oxidizing action mediating through the formation of hydroiodides acid and storage that it should be stored in well closed bottle fitted with the glass stopper because 12 is the volatile and its vapor attack both cork and rubber. Incompatibilities with alkalis and alkali carbonate. Next is the solutions of iodine. The germicidal activity of the free iodine is about 6 times that of the hypoiodous acid. Preparations providing free iodine are bactericidal, fungicidal and amoebicidal and they are the virucidal. Iodine is effective in very dilutions. Iodine solution and iodine tincture are the most effective topical agent available. They have been used as the antiseptic on the skin prior to surgery. In today's class, I discuss about the various iodine solution. There are the two types, another solution that is the strong iodine solution and the weak iodine solutions. Some of the well-established solutions are the aqueous iodine solution. It is also known as the Lugol solution. It contains any alcohol, it does not contain any alcohol and it contains 5% iodine, 10% potassium iodide. The relative proportions of potassium iodide to iodine is much higher than in weak solution. And it contains the 10% the weight by volume of iodine and 6% weight by volume of potassium iodide in alcoholic solution. Weak iodine solution. Thank you. In today's class I discuss about the topical agents are that is iodine and about borax. Thank you.